In my experience, the greatest benefit to the greatest number of species always comes from returning the land to its natural state. Anything that promotes greater diversity and greater health on the landscape is going to be good stewardship of the land and water. The things that we do on the land really affect the quality of the water as well. Michigan's really special because we have species that live here that live nowhere else on Earth. Things like the pitcher's thistle that live along the shorelines, or the secretive locusts that inhabit some of the bogs here in northern Michigan. Some of these species, if we don't take care of them, no one else will. And it helps us to retain a little bit of our natural heritage, a little bit of our cultural heritage, to protect these places and to restore the habitat to its healthiest condition. We're here today in the Pigeon River Country State Forest planting some trees for wildlife habitat. A lot of species of trees and shrubs that will produce fruits and nuts for the birds and the other animals. This clearing that we're planting in here was a former gas well pad site, and they don't tend to grow a lot of natural plants without a little bit of help. So we're trying to return some trees to this clearing so that we don't have a gap in the middle of the forest and it returns more to a forested condition.
We are at beautiful North Twin Lake in the Pigeon River Country. This is a site where we did a volunteer restoration project about 5 or 6 years ago. These sinkhole lakes are really special and a unique feature that run through northeast Michigan. They're very deep, they're very clear, and these lakes used to be used for research with the DNR Fisheries Division. Over the years, a lot of erosion occurred at these sites because they're very steep, sandy slopes. So we wanted to work with our partners to be able to restore these sites while still being able to maintain the recreation and the access to the sites. One of the things that our organization is really passionate about is not only protecting water quality and wildlife habitat, but it's about providing spaces for people to get out and to be able to enjoy. And spaces where people can really connect with nature, they can be involved with hands-on stewardship, and they can really own these spaces. And for us, long-term, that will lead to better habitat, better investment, and just a lot more conservation champions for our natural resources.